This is the parts inside our bag for our dual LED lights. This is the main room. This is the first LED in the dome. This is the second LED on the tailgate. There's an emergency cover on the tailgate, emergency cover. This light is a color switchable, and here there's an adapter for GX and GX only, because the power pickup they have slightly different. I will explain this later. There's some drilling template and some screws and a plug. Also there's a switch and a switch room, two switch room. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need to remove the panel. First this panel, and then this two side panel, and then this big panel. And also we need to remove this this thing. So this two handle. And this, just pull it. And also we use some trim remove tool like this to peel it towards you. Like this. And then we remove from this corner, and then pull it, and then from this corner pull towards you, and then finally this big panel. This big panel you need to from the center, and you put your hand inside, and then pull it down like this, and then go to the two sides like this and like this. So it's very easy. And also here's the emergency cover of this panel. You see, you press down and then press down, then took out this emergency cover. So we use a screwdriver like this, and then pry it like this, and then like this, pry it out, and then there's one clip here. We pry it out, and then there's another one here, just the pry, and then we lose this one. There's three clips. One clip is here, then pry it, and another clip is here, pry, and another clip is here, we pry it. On this side, we do the same thing. We just like this, 1, 2, see, 1, 2, and another thing, 1, 2, two clips like this, and like this. We do not need to completely remove it. Now we take this back. There's some screws, nut, and a plastic plug, and this template, drilling and template. You will find a blue clip in the center. We use this blue clip as the center of the boot, and then there's a drilling template, the blue, and to this one, then you as a template like this. So when you hold the drilling template, because when you folding down this fabric, you will see there's a mark. There's a mark. You move it like around like 1 centimeter or 0.5 centimeter, and then you drill the first hole. The first time you need to drill out like this direction. You need to drill out this direction, and then you drill out. When you feel your drill break through the fabric, then you drill in. First, now we drill 2 holes. So we use this hole to run through our wire. It goes through. and then you pull it out. Then you find our screws. Then the next thing is very important. So the next thing is very important because you will see, because we already hold this one, so you will adjust the light to make it parallel this side with this side. So you do not want this one too ugly. You don't want this like this. You want like perfect. It's parallel to the edge of the fabric. Then you hold it and drill another hole. When you're drilling a hole, please do remember, you drill out. When you feel your drill breaks through the fabric, then you drill in. Then use the screws. And the next step is this thing, these two. Put the nuts on it. It's number 10, and then number 8 spanner. Number 8 spanner. Number 8 spanner. Hold the nut, and then tight. Do not need too tight. Just tight. So now our light was bought on this plastic, so it's very firm, very secure. Now this is the LED light. They have 2 terminals. So this is our plastic bag. You will see this side is very smooth, and then you let the unsmooth one. There's a locking tab towards you. And then is like that one. There's a smooth one, smooth on the back, like a locking tab towards you. And then there's a red one, or sometimes there's only one red wire, or sometimes one red or green wire. But like this, the black wire is on the bottom, like this. You see, you push inside. You will hear a clip. If you didn't hear a clip, you can use a very tiny screwdriver to push it inside. But when you press, it will be very flat. You see, very flat. If you cannot press to the very flat, it means this terminal stuck. Use something to push it inside. Now we finished the installation of this light. Now this is the main harness. So you find this one, this side. There's a one black two pin terminal and one white 2-pin plug, and then you run through the firewall through here, run through the firewall, and then like this go into the tailgate. The first wall, you need to find a semi-rigid wire to wrap it firmly, because we need to pull it a little bit hard to wrap it. And then when you after wrap, now you took out this grommet like this, and then you run a wire going through this grommet. It's a little bit of pain in the ass, but you have to. Yeah, you see, you find this. Then going through here. Now we're going through here to help pass through very smooth, you can spray some WD-40 on this insulation tape. On the insulation tape, you gently pull through, pull it. You see, it goes very smoothly. And when do you stop? You like here. This is the LED light on this one. You just plug like this. I think to here. You see, this one to here. That's long enough. And you run this one through this hole and going up to here. And you put this grommet back, put this back, very important. Now we run a wire like this. This is the main harness. Run a wire like this. This wire inside tailgate, we will temporarily leave it here, like this. So we run a wire in boot through here, and then through here, and here. And there's a light, like the factory light. We just like this, unplug this one. And we run a wire like this. So about this plug, we pick out the power from here. So we pick out power from here. So we just like a piggyback, and we can get a power. Like this, we PG back. Another thing is that for GX and GXL, this plug they're using different plug. So I make an adapter for GX and GXL. So this is our main harness. You can plug to this one, and then you piggyback from here. Of course, I have no, because they're different. So you piggyback from this plug, and then plug on the GXL one, like this. So this is the adapter for GX and GXL. In this car, this car is a VX. We do not need the adapter, just like this, and like this. Now we finish the pickup of the power. Now we remove the tape. This is our handle switch. Then you, whatever which one, they are all the same. And here, there's a black to black. That's 2 white, but one is 3 pin, one is 2 pin. You only put a 2 pin. 2 pin, you see? There's a 2 pin. The 3 pin is larger. The 3 pin is for the light on the tailgate, like this. There's a 3 pin. That's 2 pin. Now we connect to the switch loop. Then we use cable tie. Make it like this. Then will look like this. And run the cable. We finished the installation. So there's two lights, there's a switch. So when the switch on, of course you need to remove the protection film on this LED lights. Now there's one on, there's another one. So one is for one color. This is for amber. It's two switch. This one is for amber. This one is for white. So you switch on the white color and switch off the white color. The amber is on, off, on, off. I only put the amber on this one because we need more lights in the boot for make it brighter. And for the amber, I only put it here. This light is very yellow. It's very yellow. Only 1500K. It's just for less sparks. When you're on the beach, in the bush, when you're after dinner, you want to sitting under the sky. You don't want too bright. This amber is enough for you, but much less sparks. When you want to cooking or find something in the boot, you can use white. Of course, you can turn on the amber at the same time. You can turn on both. But when you switch off the white, there's only amber left. You can switch on both. And also, this two light is automatically off when the tailgate is closed, and automatically turn on when the tailgate is open. It's very handy. It's the most popular kit in my whole store. This is the most popular. I hope you will like it. Hello, this is a 2025 Land Cruiser 300 GR Sports. One of the upgrade is Toyota put two paddle lights on the tailgate to improve your off-road ability, to make it brighter in the boot area. But as you know, I already developed a very popular kit. It's like a dual LED light in a tailgate and in a boot. Now we are very lucky to get a 2025 GR Sports now. Now we can do some compare to see the difference between the kits between them. Now can you please turn on the lights? Thank you. Yeah, this is my light. Hello. The left side is a 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 GR Sports. The right side is a VX Toyota Land Cruiser 300 VX. In the 2025, a major upgrade is for the GR Sports. They put two little paddle lights. But I already developed a dual LED lights for the Land Cruiser 300. Today we are very lucky to have a GR Sports here. Now we can do some compare to see what's the difference. So the first difference is see the huge difference. My light is much brighter, and also I have a switch to turn them on off. But for the GR Sports, there's no switch. You cannot turn off. When the tailgate opens, it will be on. It will be turned on, and will last 15 minutes. And my LED light, the color is switchable. The amber light, that's very yellow. They will much less sparks when you're in the bush area or in the beach. Much less sparks because of very yellow. And also, of course, you can turn them all off. Also, my light can automatically turn off, and also automatically turn on, automatically turn off when the tailgate close, and also it can automatically turn on when the tailgate open. There's a huge difference. I hope you will like this video. Thank you. Bye.